Hello student, in this topic we want to study integrated rate law expression. Integrated rate law expression. What is the integrated rate law expression? Integrated rate law expression and integrating the rate law या फिर integrating the differential rate expression and gives the relationship, direct relationship between the concentration of a reactant and the time, that is called a integrated rate law expression. That is, integrated rate law expression means the integrating the differential rate law and gives the direct relationship between the concentration of a reactant and the time, that is called a integrated rate law. So in our 11th and 12th class syllabus या फिर concerning with state board, there is only two derivations, one for a zero order and another for the फर्स्ट ऑर्डर. सेकंड थर्ड ऑर्डर का इधर स्टेट बोर्ड में एक्सप्रेशन नहीं है. अब अपन पहले देखेंगे रेट लॉ एक्सप्रेशन फॉर जीरो ऑर्डर. रेट इंटीग्रेटेड रेट लॉ एक्सप्रेशन, इंटीग्रेटेड रेट एक्सप्रेशन फॉर द जीरो ऑर्डर. अब देखेंगे अपन इंटीग्रेटेड रेट एक्सप्रेशन फॉर द जीरो ऑर्डर. अब व्हाट इज द जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन? जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन का मतलब अपन ने डेफिनेशन देखा है. इफ द ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन इज जीरो, दैट इज कॉल्ड ए जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. अब ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन जीरो का मतलब दैट इज द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑन द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ ए रिएक्टेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड ए जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. या फिर द रेट इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द जीरो पावर ऑफ ए रिएक्टेंट, that is called a zero order reaction. Rate is directly proportional to the zeroth power of a reactant, that is called a rate, that is called a zero order reaction. अब integrated rate expression निकालेंगे अपन. Suppose again consider the hypothetical reaction. A gives a product, that is it is a zero order reaction. So according to the rate law expression, what is the rate? That is the rate equal to decrease in the concentration of A with respect to time and is directly proportional to the concentration of reactant raised to the power 0. Now solving this, that is minus dA by dt is equal to K into A raised to the power 0, where K is called a rate constant, where K is called a rate constant. But the A raised to the power 0 equal to 1. So rearranging this equation क्या आ जाएगा फिर? minus dA upon dt is equal to K. minus dA upon dt equal to K. समझ में आ गया? Suppose consider a hypothetical reaction. A gives product where it is a zero order reaction. Now according to the definition of a order of reaction, that is here rate of reaction is independent on the concentration of reactant, that is called a zero order reaction. Yeah, rate is directly proportional to the zeroth power of a concentration of a reactant, that is called a the zero order reaction. Now remove this proportionality sign and add a new constant K, that is called a rate constant. So here minus dA by dt is equal to K into A raised to the power 0, where K is called a rate constant. But A raised to the power 0 equal to 1, so minus dA upon dt equal to K. Now on rearranging क्या आ जाएगा फिर यहाँ पर? नाउ ऑन रीअरेंजिंग, इसको रीअरेंज करेंगे, दैट इज माइनस डी ए इक्वल टू के इंटू डी टी, या फिर डी ऑफ ए इक्वल टू माइनस के इंटू डी टी. सपोज इट इज कॉल्ड इक्वेशन नंबर 1. now integrating this equation, integrating the equation 1 between the limits to get a finite change. In order to get the finite change, integrating equation 1 between the limits. अब लिमिट कैसे लेने का? When time t equal to 0, suppose the concentration of A is equal to A0, that is called a initial concentration. After time t, the amount left of a reactant, suppose it is taken to be AT. It is called a initial concentration. When time t equal to 0, it is the concentration of a reactant left after time t. बचेवा amount left. The what will be the amount undergo reaction, that cannot be considered. अपने को consider करना है initial amount और बचेवा amount AT. Now putting this, integrating one, d of a equal to minus k is a constant, so taken out from integration sign dt. Now putting the limit when time t equal to 0 to time t equal to t, यहाँ पर when time t equal to 0, the concentration of A0 and concentration of A after time t, suppose it is a AT. Now solving this integration, solving integration. अब इंटीग्रेशन सॉल्व करना है अपने को. तो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? जैसा फॉर एग्जांपल इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dx इक्वल टू x, सिंपली कांस्टेंट वगैरह लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ए, दैट इज, तो क्या आ जाएगा फिर? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dA इक्वल टू a, और इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ए dt is equal to t. So putting the value here, that is the integration of dA equal to a, the limit ranging from a0 to at. Integration of integration of d of a equal to a, or limit ranging from a0 to at equal to minus k, or integration of dt equal to t and limit ranging from t equal to 0 to t. Now solving this, putting the value upper limit minus lower limit. So at minus a0 equal to minus k t minus 0. Solving this, at minus a0 equal to minus kt, या फिर we can write kt equal to a0 minus at, or we can say k equal to a0 minus at upon t. It is called a integrated rate expression for the zero order reaction. तो कैसे यहाँ से अपन इंटीग्रेशन सॉल्व किया? पुटिंग अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट, और सॉल्विंग दिस k इक्वल टू, that is the change in concentration with respect to time. तो ये हो गया इंटीग्रेटेड रेट लॉ एक्सप्रेशन फॉर द जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. इसके ऊपर से अपन यूनिट भी निकाल सकते हैं. यूनिट फॉर के का यूनिट क्या निकालने का? ये कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन यानी मोल पर डीएम क्यूब, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन यानी मोल पर डीएम क्यूब, और टाइम इनवर्स. दिस इज द यूनिट ऑफ ए के. इट इज कॉल्ड इंटीग्रेटेड रेट लॉ expression. Clear? Okay.